In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Twitch to your computer. So if you want to be able to use Twitch as a desktop app on your computer or laptop, then there's actually one simple method we can use to do this. Now, the first thing you need to do is just open up the Google Chrome browser on your computer, and then we're just going to head over to the website twitch.tv. Now, once you're on the Twitch website, click on the three vertical dots in the top right-hand side, then scroll all the way down to Cast, Save, and Share, and then in this list of options, select Install Page as App. Now go and give your app a name. I'm just going to leave this as Twitch and press install. So now, as you can see, this is open Twitch in its own application. And then what you'll need to do is come back over to your Google Chrome browser and just type in chrome://apps and hit enter. Now you'll be able to see all of your Google Chrome applications, and all we need to do is right click on Twitch, click on create shortcut, make sure desktop here is checked like this and press create. So now if I head over to my desktop, you can see we now have this Twitch application, and if I just right click and open this up, you can see that this will open up the Twitch in its own application, and you can see even down at the bottom here, it even has the Twitch logo. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you install Twitch onto your computer. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.